SOLIDWORKS Plastics is a powerful resource that provides insight into both the performance of your plastic injection molded parts and the manufacturing process itself. With SOLIDWORKS Plastics 2018, you will find many new enhancements that both make the process of getting results easier, but also the realization of more manufacturing-relevant results. The first thing you will notice is a new streamlined workflow for generating and working with your plastics mesh geometry. You can now directly leverage your SOLIDWORKS mold core, cavity, and cooling line geometry in your plastics simulations, providing more finite control over how plastics treats and understands these objects. Groups for mesh objects also expedite the process of defining mesh settings for multiple bodies in your plastics study, making it much more efficient to enter these values once for multiple bodies at a time. SOLIDWORKS Plastics professional customers will gain more insight into their finished parts with density at end of packing found within the Pack Results tab. These results show where high areas of material density are forming during the injection and packing process, which could lead to undesired parts. Enhancements to the measure tool for warp results enable you to get more information from your warped model. By selecting different areas on the warped results, you can get a clear understanding of the shrinkage amount across the two selected points. Finally, warp results can now be exported in a CAD-usable format. You can leverage the warped model to get valuable insight into how the finished product differs from the original design. This may help to determine if the warp in your parts is acceptable or lead to further mold parameter, cooling, or even part changes, depending on how drastic the warp is. SOLIDWORKS Plastics 2018 offers you many new ways to better understand the entire plastic injection molding process and how that process impacts your overall part performance.